எஸ். இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா கியூபாய்டு, கியூபு, சிலிண்டர் அண்டு கோனு, ஸ்பியர் பார்த்தோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தோம் நமக்கு பாருங்கள் ஹெமிஸ்பியர். ஹெமிஸ்பியர் அதனுடைய சிஎஸ்ஏ 2πr², டிஎஸ்ஏ 3πr², வால்யூம் 2/3 πr3. தென் ஹாலோ சிலிண்டர், இது ஹாலோ சிலிண்டரோட ஷேப்பு. டிஎஸ்ஏ 2π இன்ட்டு கேபிட்டல் ஆர் ப்ளஸ் ஸ்மால் ஆர் இன்ட்டு ஹெச். இது பார்த்தோம்னா நமக்கு டிஎஸ்ஏ 2π ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல் ஆர் ப்ளஸ் ஸ்மால் ஆர் இன்ட்டு கேபிட்டல் ஆர் மைனஸ் ஸ்மால் ஆர் ப்ளஸ் ஹெச். இது வால்யூம் பை ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல் ஆர் ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் ஸ்மால் ஆர் ஸ்கொயர் இன்ட்டு ஹெச். இது ஹாலோஸ்பியர். இது ஹாலோஸ்பியரு. இட் இஸ் 4πr². 4πr². It is a capital R squared. It is outer surface area. Outer surface area. இது TSA 4π capital R squared plus small r squared. இது volume. Volume of outer sphere 4/3 pi of capital R cube minus small r cube. Yes. Then hollow hemisphere 2π of, it is a CSA 2π of capital R squared plus small r squared. இது TS of a hollow hemisphere. Pi of capital pi of 3 into capital R squared plus R squared. இது 2/3 pi of capital R cube minus R cube. இது frustum of cone. CSA pi of R plus R into L. L is, we have to find out root of square root of h squared plus capital R minus small r the whole square. It is TSA. Pi of R plus R into L plus pi R squared plus pi small r squared. It is CS of a cone, CS of a frustum. This one upper value, upper circle, it is lower circle. It is a area of a circle. It is top, it is bottom. It is volume of frustum 1/3 pi h of capital R squared plus small r squared plus capital R into small r. This formula you have to read properly and know the formula. இந்த ஃபார்முலா தெரிஞ்சால் மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால் கண்டிப்பாக சம்ஸை போட முடியும். பட் இட் இஸ் வெரி 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 இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டு. ஃபார்முலா தெரியல அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் கண்டிப்பாக நல்லா சம்ஸை போட முடியாது. அதனால் என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக ஃபார்முலாவை படித்தே ஆகணும். ஒரு டைம் பார்க்காம எழுதி பார்த்துருங்க, அது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லது உங்களுக்கு. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. எஸ். From a solid cylinder, the core's height is 2.4 cm and diameter 1.4 cm. A conical cavity of the same height and base is hollowed out. Figure 7.13. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. Yes. So what is given here? This is for height. It is for height. Therefore, diameter will be 1.4. So diameter 1.4 cm. Radius equal to 0.7 cm. H equal to 2.4 cm. Yes. Find out the hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. So that we can find out the remaining solid. That is curved surface area of a cylinder plus curved surface area of a cone and remaining part of base of the cylinder. So we can write the total surface area. The total surface area. Total surface area of the remaining solid. Remaining solid. Can I draw the diagram? It is height, it is diameter, radius will be 0.7 cm. Yes. You can find out the remaining solid. That is one. CS of a cylinder, base of the cylinder, it is curved surface area of a cone. That is base, this one pi r squared. For this one cone, for this one CSA 2 pi RH plus cone, that is pi RL. Yes. What is the common value? Pi and R. Pi and R. Yes, you can take the pi R. Remaining value here R. Here 2H plus 2H. Here only L. So I need L value. Therefore L equal to root of h squared plus r squared. Therefore, h value, what is the value? 2.4. 2.4, you have to square that one. 2.4, you have to square plus 0.7, you have to square this one. Finally, you will get 5.76 plus it is 0.49. We should add this one 6.25. Therefore, you can take the square of this one. You can take the square root. Therefore, get 2.5. It is called the slant height. Yes. Therefore, 22 by 7. So, what is the value you have to apply? 22 by 7 into R value 0.7. 0.7. Also, here also 0.7. 0.7. 2h. What is h value? 2.4. 2.4 into 2, 4.8 plus 4.8. L value 2.5. So you can cancel this one. It is a one time, it is a 0.1. You should multiply 2.2 into, therefore you should add this one. You will get the 5.5. 5.5 plus 2.5, 8. 8.0. 8.0. You can multiply 2.2 into 8. 2.2 into 8. Therefore, you will get 17.6 centimeter square. Sorry, meter square. Meter square. Meter square. The question will be meter square. Centimeter square. Centimeter square. Yes, because the value will be given in the centimeter, so that it is a centimeter square. Yes. Next. Can I explain one more time? TSA of a remaining solid, that is remaining solid from the shape. So it is the total surface area remaining solids. It is taking out, hollowed out. That is CS of a cone, CS of a cylinder, and the bottom of the cylinder. So bottom of the cylinder, it is a CS of a cylinder, it is CS of a cone. We should add all the value, will get the 17.6 centimeter square. Yes. Example 7.8. Find the diameter of a sphere. The coarse surface area is 154 meter squared. Yes. Find out the diameter. What is diameter? We don't know that is diameter. Diameter. We don't know that. It's already we know that formula. Diameter of a sphere, the coarse surface area. Surface area. So write the given value. Surface area, that is CSA of a sphere. CSA of a sphere equal to, what is the formula? 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared. So what is the value of this one? 154, that is equal to formula 4 into 22 by 7 into r squared. Therefore, now we have to cancel this one. For 2 table, it is 2 time, it is 77. Again 11 table, it is 2 time, it is 7 times. Therefore, the 7 transfers to left hand side. 7 into 7, 49, divided by 2 to 4. The 4 will be, you can transpose this side, left side, that will be 4, equal to r squared. Therefore, r equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Therefore, D equal to 2r. Therefore, D equal to 7 centimeter. It is the diameter of the hemisphere. Diameter of the hemisphere. Example 7.9. Example 7.9. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 12 centimeter to 16 centimeter. Air being pumped into it. Listen the question carefully. The radius of spherical balloon increases from 12 centimeter to 16 centimeter. air being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in the two cases. One second, read the question. What is the given? The given the radius of the two sphere like a balloon shape. Yes, that is we can consider this one R1 and R2 be the radii of the balloons. We can say that is R1 equal to 12 centimeter, R2 that is equal to 16 centimeter. Therefore we can write the ratio. Therefore we can write ratio of CSA of a balloon. So what is the formula? 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared divided by this also 4 pi r squared. It is R1, it is R2. So you can write 4 pi will be cancelled. Therefore R1 squared divided by R2 square. Yes. Therefore you can write the value R1 by R2. So R1 value 12 divided by 16. We have to cancel this one. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Apply here 3 by 4. 3 by 4 the whole square. You can write 9 by 16. Therefore their CSA of ratio will be 9:16. 9:16. 10. Example 7.10. If the base area of hemispherical solid is 1386 square meters, then find its total surface area. Yes, it is very simple. So what is the value? First you have to write the value. Given that base area, if the base area of a hemispherical solid, that is we can draw this shape. This is for circle. It is 1386 meter squared. That is base of the sphere, base of the hemisphere. Base of the hemisphere, that is pi r squared equal to 1386. Yes. What they asking? TS of a hemisphere. Therefore TSA of a hemisphere. We know that formula, that is 3 pi r squared. So 3 into what is the pi r squared value? We know that 1386. We should multiply this one, we'll get 4158 meter squared. It is the CS of a hemisphere. CS of a hemisphere. We can explain one more time. It is very simple question. Two more question. That is the given base of the hemisphere. Base of the hemisphere, that is called like a circle. Circle formula pi r squared. Also given the value 1386. TS of hemisphere formula 3 pi r squared. So already pi r squared value we know that is 1386. We should multiply and 4158 meter square. Yes, thank you. Yes, example 7.11. The internal and the external radii of hollow hemispherical shell. Shell means like a hemisphere shape. Hemisphere 3 meter and 5 meter. It is called hollow hemisphere. Yes, respectively. Find the TSA and CS of the shell. Yes, find what the CSA of a hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere. Yes, find what the CSA and TSA of a hollow sphere. Yes, we can draw the diagram. Yes, this is called small r. It is called capital R. It is called small r. Yes, capital R, it is small r. So what is the given value? R equal to 5 centimeter and small r equal to 3 centimeter. Sorry, meter. What is that? Meter. Meter. Yes. R equal to meter, R equal to 5 meter, R equal to small r equal to 3 meter. It is a given value. Yes. CS of a cell. CSA of a hemisphere. You can write CS of a cell because it is a given the cell. CS of the cell. CS of the cell. Formula we know that 2 pi of capital R squared plus small r squared. Yes, we can apply the value 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R value 5. You should multiply, square that one. 5 square 5 square 25 plus small r square, this value 9. Yes, therefore 2 into this one 44, 2 into 22 44 by 7 into, we should add this one 34. Therefore 44 into 34, we should multiply 44 into 34. 4 4 are 16, 1 4 4 16 17, 3 4 are 12, 1 3 4 are 12, 13 6 9 4 1. So that 1496 by 7, you should divide and get the value 213.71 meter square. Square units. Yes, it is called now only for CSA. TSA for this one. TSA formula will be pi of 3 into capital R squared plus small r squared. Yes, that is 22 by 7 into 75 plus 9, because it is a 25 into 3 75 plus 9 I put directly because it is very easy, so that 22 by 7 into, you should add this one 84. We want to cancel this one. This one time, it is a 12 times. So 22 into 12, we can write 264 meter square. Again, we can write the formula TS of a cell pi of 3 capital R squared plus small r squared. Pi value 22 by 7. So 3 we can write r value 5 square 25 into 3 75 plus 9 84. So you have to cancel 7 table. It is one time, it is a 12 times. Again 22 into 12, you should multiply, get 264 meter square. Yes, example 7.12. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone, figure 7.20. Yes, we can draw the shape. This one, first one, sphere, like draw a sphere, this sphere. Yes, next one, cylinder, you can try the diagram. Third one, cone, this cone. Yes, are the same radius, whereas cone and cylinder are same height. Cone and cylinder same height. Yes, I thought it is everything will be same. Everything will be same. It is radius, height. It is radius, it is height. So for this one, R1 equal to R1, it is H1 equal to H1 for this both of, because both of radius same, both of height same. Yes. So that the cone and the same radius, everything will be same, or it is everything will be same. Radius fully same, height will be same. Yes. Then write the CSA. Find the ratio of the curved surface area. Find the ratio of the curved surface areas. Yes, we can do it now. What's the formula of this one? Ratio. Write their formula. First sphere. What's the formula of sphere? 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared is to, because you have tried the ratio, this is 1 pi rl. Sorry, this one 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh. This one pi rl. Pi rl. Yes. So here it is given L value. L value we don't know that value. Therefore L equal to root of h square plus r square. So here h equal to r, the both of same, so that it is r square plus r square. We can write the 2r square, take square root this one. Therefore root 2r will get the root 2r L value. Yes, we can apply here. 4 the 4 pi r squared, pi will be cancelled. Therefore 4r squared, here 2r squared, here pi r squared root 2, r squared root 2. So here also the common value r squared will be cancelled. Therefore 4 is to 2 is to root 2. Therefore LCM will be root 2. LCM will be root 2. LCM is root 2. Therefore we can write this one 2 root 2 1. It is for curved surface area of the given shape. Can I write the one more time? Ratio of sphere, sorry, CSA for this formula 4 pi r squared, 2 pi r h, pi r l. So pi cancel. Then you can write the L value, find out the L value. L equal to root 2r. Root 2r. Apply the value. R squared will be cancelled. Therefore 4 2 root 2. Root 2 is LCM. You can take the LCM. The remaining will be 4 2 root 2. Therefore root 2 you can take the cancel, because everything will be in LCM is root 2. For that 2 root 2 root 2 1. It is for the curved surface of the remaining shapes. Thank you. Yes. Now example 7.13. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 5 cm and the radii of its ends are 4 and 1 cm. Find its curved surface area. Curved surface area. Yes, write the value. L equal to, what is the value? You can write the frustum of cone. Yes, it is called to slant height. It is called slant height. That is 5 cm. 5 cm. It is called 5 cm. So capital R equal to 4 cm. Small r equal to 1 cm. Therefore CS of a cone. CS of a cone. Sorry, CS of a frustum of cone. Therefore CSA of a frustum of cone, that is formula pi of capital R plus small r into L. So L value we want to find out that one. So L equal to, the formula will be L value. Yes, L value already here, that is 5. Yes, already given L value. Therefore 22 by 7 into R value 4 plus 1 into 5. Therefore 22 by 7 into 4 plus 1 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Therefore 22 into 25. 22 into 25. 5 2s are 10. 1 5 2s are 10. 11 4 4 0 5 5. 550. 550 by 7. How to divide the value? They get the value 78.57 centimeter square. Yes, example 7.14. An industrial metallic bucket is in the shape of the frustum of a right circular cone. The cone's top and bottom diameters are 10 and 4 meter, and the cone's height is 4 meter. Find the curved and total surface area. Curved surface area and total surface area. Yes, what is given? You can draw the bucket, this one. It is rough diagram. So it is a 4 meter, it is 10 meter, then this also diameter 4 meter. Yes, capital R equal to 5 meter, small r equal to 2 meter, h equal to 4 meter. Yes, I need L value, therefore L equal to root of formula h square plus r minus r, capital R minus small r the whole square. Therefore apply the value, that is 4 square plus 5 minus 2, 3 the whole square. Therefore it is 16 plus 9, that is equal to root of 25. Take root of 25 equal to 5 centimeter. It is called L value. Therefore CSA of a frustum of cone, that is pi into capital R plus small r into L, that is value 22 by 7 into r plus value r plus r, that is 5 plus 2 7 into, that is L value will be 5. Therefore 7 cancel, 22 into 5, that is 110 meter square. Then TSA of frustum of cone, and the formula will be pi into capital R plus small r into L plus capital pi r squared, pi capital R squared plus pi into small r squared. Yes, already we know that the value, you can take the value of this one. This is for what is common value? Pi. You can taking out pi. Yes, what is remaining? That one, r plus r, capital R plus small r into L plus capital R squared plus small r squared. Yes, finally we can write 22 by 7 into, it is 5 plus 2 into 5. Therefore 5 5s are 25. It is r squared value 25 plus 4. Therefore 22 by 7 into the value 54. Yes, we should product this one. 22 into 54, you will get the value 1408 divided by 7. You should divide the value, get the 201.14 meter square. Can I explain one more time? Diameter will be 10, so radius will be 5 meter, diameter will be 4, the small radius equal to 2 meter, h equal to 4 meter. Therefore I need L value. Therefore root of h square plus r, capital R minus small r the whole square. Therefore 4 squared 3 squared, you should add 25. Root of 25 equal to 5. Therefore CS of frustum of cone, pi into capital R plus small r into L. Therefore apply the value 22 by 7. It is, you should add 5 plus 2 7, 7 cancel. Therefore 22 into 5, 110. As far as TSA, by capital pi and capital pi into, pi into capital R plus small r into L plus pi into capital R squared plus pi into small r squared. So what is common value? Taking out pi. Therefore r plus r, capital R plus small r into L plus capital R squared plus small r squared. We should add this one. It is for capital R. What is the value of this one? 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 7, sorry 7, 7 5s are, what is this one, for this one 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 35 25 60 64, 64, 64, therefore 22 into 64 will get the 1408 divided by 7 will get the value 201.14. Thank you.